We're making chicken saltimbocca today. Be sure to stick around. Alright, we're going to take 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, sharp knife, and carefully cut these in half. Then we're going to cover with cellophane because we don't want chicken juice all over the place. We're going to take our mallet out and we're going to pound these out nice and thin so they're all the same thickness and size. While I'm pounding that out, please remember to like, subscribe, and share the channel. Hit that bell to stay up to date on newest recipes. I really appreciate it. Now, we're going to go with a piece of prosciutto and fresh pecorino romano cheese. And then we're going to roll these up. Now, when I went to the deli counter, I told a woman when I was getting the prosciutto to cut it just a hair thicker than normal. Keep that in mind. Now, we're going to take our rolled up chicken. We're going to roll it in some flour and then put a sage leaf on each piece. Right through that toothpick there. Then we're going to take a large frying pan and we're going to melt about a quarter stick of butter and a few tablespoons of olive oil and add more sage leaves to the butter and oil. Get that up to about medium temp, and then we're going to brown our chicken on all sides. Hit it with a little bit of salt and pepper, and then we'll turn these pieces of chicken to get it nice and brown. I've got the oven heated to 350 degrees because once our chicken is nice and brown on all sides, we'll remove and put it to a baking dish and we'll bake at 350 for about 10 to 12 minutes. And then we'll go back to making our sauce. Remove the sage leaves, and then we're going to add about half a cup of white wine. Turn the heat up on that, get it nice and simmering. Then we'll add the juice of 1 lemon, and then I've got some cold water mixed with cornstarch. This will help thicken the sauce. And once we get that to the thickness that we desire, we're going to plate. We'll put our chicken on our plate, spoon the sauce right on top, and you've got a delicious classic Italian dish that I think the whole family will like. Give it a try. It's pretty simple and delicious.